Marina.
Today we are going to read City of Gold and Wisdom. City of Gold and Wisdom. How was your first day at school, Musa?
Okay, but there are 3 boys in a class named Musa. Why do so many boys have my name father?
Musa is a common name in Mali because it's the name of a great king.
Okay, will you tell me about his father?
Later, Musa was a king of Mali about 700 years ago. He lived in Timbuktu, the city of gold and wisdom.
That also did.
The desert was her Timbuktu, but once it was great. People come from everywhere to sell gold from the south and so from the north. Once, so was as expensive as gold.
Here we have lot of salt of which
No, things have changed since then. In 1324, Mirza Musa took a trip. He went with 60,000 people and had 80 camels. The camels carried 1,800 kilograms of gold. He gave the gold to poor people. People all over the world heard this story. They wanted to come to Timbuktu to see its gold and to study its schools and libraries.
Timbuktu had a good father.
The best, the University of Sekolah was one of the universities in the world. Musa invited the most intelligent people to teach and study there. So Timbuktu is called the city of gold and wisdom, and Musa is a popular name since then.
That's a cool story. I'll tell my classmate as well.
Thank you.